In today's video, we're going to go over how to reset your Coolpad Legacy back to factory settings. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is go to the settings, and we're going to go to accounts. And what you're going to want to do is, first of all, before you factory reset the phone, you're going to want to remove the Google account from your phone. If you don't, you will cause problems for the next person who uses this phone. Google will lock the phone and make the phone basically unusable if your old account is still on the phone once you pass it to a new person. So this step is very important. We're going to go ahead and tap on the Google account, tap on remove, and remove account. Are you sure? Okay. We'll put the code in, and we're all set. I'm going to go ahead and remove this email as well. And now all of our accounts are removed. Now we're going to go back, and we're going to go to General Management. Or first we're going to go to System. Then we're going to go to Advanced. And then we're going to go to Reset Options. And then we will go to Erase All Data, Factory Reset. Tap there. And then we're going to tap Reset Phone. Put in our code. It's your last chance. We're going to hit erase everything. And after you hit that button, it is going to fully reset the phone back to factory settings. And basically, you don't want to touch the phone at that point. Just let it reset, and you'll know that the factory reset is complete, because on the last screen, it will ask you to select the language. So we're not going to do the final reset here because we have a few more videos to shoot and we don't want to take everything off the phone, but this is the process, and I hope you guys did find it helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos. Take care and have a good one.